Litimetse. China, right? Could you get in China the tuna? Getting China the tuna. Ah, the Munawara Palala Tama. I don't know crazy, but I see what's it.
Einen großen Brocken gerade auf
Hey, come on, hey, hey. Huh? Ehe. Pale, agronal pale form, dark form. You know how little near the opinion.
What are the other two doing? They watching to take care
of? Yeah, those two are adults, that they're watching for the youngsters to eat first, and then they continue eating, just watching what's happening around.
Okay.
And then you find out these two, they actually did very well because they were the only two remaining, and they bred up to 4 puppies. And then they managed to raise them at that age. It's not easy on the worlds of other predators. We're hoping by the coming year they'll be adults. And it will be a big pack already. Even now it confused me which one is this one, because we have got 3 packs around the place, yeah.
And the other birds are waiting
to
till the other have
the
finished.
stony eagle on the far right, and then the secluded vulture on the left. The one which is walking around. We're just waiting for the turn. Nothing is a waste.
Come on, see?
Huh?
Oh, hold on, what is it? They're waiting.
But I already told you
Wie schnell die oft da waren.
Robert. I'm not cheesy. Without that,